Okay guys, welcome to Mastercam in a minute course. In that course we're gonna talk about Mastercam only 1 minute. I'm creating some rectangle shapes here. For example, it can be 100 and 100 and creating that rectangle into my origin. After that, machine, milling and default machine. And after that I'm gonna click mill toolpath and face toolpath here. This is my face toolpath geometry, and this is gonna my tool. My tool can be 10 millimeters diameter, and this is my feed rate. This is my cutting speed. I'm gonna click finish button here. Turn back to linking parameters. It can be 5, it can be 1, 0 and 0. Turn back to cut parameters. I can click zigzag, and this is my degree. I'm gonna click 0 to stock to leave on the floor. Just push that button. After that, push G1 button to get my post. Okay, that's it.